double your revenue without wasting months on trial and error? In this episode, I am giving you a cheat sheet to 2x faster with proven strategies you can implement starting today. Hi, I am Abani Bhushan Bera, an MSME growth strategist and sales coach, and this is the AI powered MSME Growth Hub, the channel where entrepreneurs like you unlock real world strategies to scale your business, grow revenue, and harness the power of AI without the big consulting budgets. Over the last 3 decades, I have worked with MSMEs and MNCs across India, and now I am on a mission to help 100,000 MSMEs achieve unstoppable growth. If you are ready to accelerate your journey, let's dive right into today's powerful insight. Scaling revenue is not just about getting more customers, it's about optimizing every part of your business to drive profitability and sustained expansion. Here is your cheat sheet to hitting 2x revenue growth faster. Step 1. Increase your lead flow without increasing costs. If your pipeline is weak, your revenue will always be inconsistent. The first step to rapid growth is ensuring you have a steady flow of high quality leads. How to increase lead flow smartly? First, leverage referral marketing. Offer exclusive discounts to customers who bring in referrals. Number 2, tap into LinkedIn and B2B networks. Connect with decision makers without spending on ads. Number 3, use content marketing. Publish weekly blog posts, industry insights, and customer success stories to attract inbound leads. Here is an example. If you are a B2B industrial automation company and you start sharing technical use cases, videos on LinkedIn, within 6 months, inbound inquiries may increase to as high as 35% without spending extra on ads. Here is a pro tip. Set a weekly lead generation target and track your conversion rates to measure effectiveness. Step 2. Optimize your sales process to convert faster. Leads alone won't increase revenue. You need to close them efficiently. If your sales process is too slow or confusing, customers will move to your competitors. How to improve your sales process? First, shorten the follow-up time. 80% of sales happen after the 5th follow-up, yet most businesses stop at 1 or 2. Follow up consistently. Number 2, pre-qualify leads. Use a simple questionnaire or a discovery call to filter serious buyers from those just browsing. And finally, offer a no-risk trial or demo. Let customers experience your product or service before making a decision. Here is an example. If you are an MSME offering customized packaging solutions, you can reduce your sales cycle by offering instant online quotes instead of manual back and forth emails. Revenue can grow by up to 40% in 1 year for sure. Here is a pro tip. Automate your sales follow-up emails and appointment scheduling to reduce friction and boost conversion rates. Number 3 step. Increase your pricing without losing customers. Many MSMEs hesitate to raise prices for fear of losing clients, but strategic price adjustments can significantly increase revenue without increasing workload. Now, how to raise prices smartly? Bundle products or services. Instead of selling single items, offer value-packed bundles. Number 2, highlight premium benefits. Emphasize quality, speed, and customer support as value additions. And number 3, test price adjustments. Start by raising prices on a small segment of your audience and track reactions. Here is an example. If you are a small-scale IT consulting firm, you can increase rates by 15%, but bundled in free quarterly strategy sessions. Instead of losing clients, you can win bigger contracts because clients will perceive higher value. The pro tip here is Position yourself as an expert, not a commodity. Clients pay more for expertise. Step 4. Expand your revenue streams. If one product or service isn't scaling, but find additional revenue streams that complement your core offering. Now, how to expand revenue streams? Introduce subscription models. Turn one-time buyers into monthly subscribers. Second, upsell and cross-sell. Offer additional services at the point of purchase. Number 3, license or white label your product. If you have a unique product, let others resell it under their brand. Here is an example. If you are a system integrator, you can start offering remote support packages for industrial automation maintenance. Within a year, this may become your second biggest revenue stream. The pro tip is, if 80% of your revenue comes from one product or service, find a way to diversify. And step 5, retain customers for long-term revenue growth. Acquiring a new customer costs 5x more than keeping an existing one. To scale faster, focus on repeat business and customer loyalty. Now, how to boost customer retention? First, offer loyalty incentives. Reward repeat customers with VIP discounts or exclusive offers. Number 2, engage through personalized emails and updates. Keep them informed about new features, services, or upgrades. And number 3, turn customers into brand advocates. Feature them in case studies, testimonials, or referrals. Here is an example. If you are in distribution business, you can start a VIP program for top clients offering faster delivery and personalized service. Customer retention may improve by up to 30%, leading to consistent revenue growth. So the pro tip here is, your best sales team is your satisfied customers. Use them to attract more business. So time is now for key takeaways and final thoughts. To double your revenue faster, focus on optimizing every part of your business, not just sales. Here's a quick recap. Number 1, increase lead flow without increasing costs. Use referrals, content marketing, and B2B networks. Second, optimize your sales process. Speed up conversions with pre-qualification and structured follow-ups. Number 3, raise prices strategically. Highlight premium benefits and use smart pricing strategies. Number 4, expand revenue streams. Introduce subscriptions, cross-selling, or licensing. And number 5, retain customers for long-term growth. Offer incentives and personalized engagement. The fastest way to 2x your revenue is to optimize every touch point with your customers. Start applying these strategies, track your progress, and watch your revenue skyrocket. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I release 2 powerful episodes every week to help you grow your MSME with practical, proven, and AI-driven strategies. And if you are truly serious about growth, I invite you to join my free AI-driven growth webinar. The link is right in the description. Until next time, stay inspired, stay growth-minded, and keep building.